Hey pack leaders, this is here. My friends are protecting family, protecting the pack. I'm going to give you guys an ETH BitMEX Mad Hatter setting that's doing well, and I'm going to give you an overview of all the other coins that are being tuned on BitMEX, because I'm using a different strategy now of just kind of steady, consistently using 1% of my portfolio on all the coins and let them all trade and see how we're doing. So let me going to show you the ETH USD. Right now it's doing 31% since a day ago, and still in the green. Go ahead and take a snapshot of this. And I currently, overall portfolio wise, since I've started a day ago, it is up. So I think I had a starting portfolio of 0.1528, but you know how when you buy and you're in position, it takes it out, right? And I remember this was down to 0.150000, so I think I'm up by a point, 0.08751 Satoshi here, if I'm using the units correctly. But overall, I believe I'm up here. Plus, I'm still in position on all these coins. Let me show you overall of it. Oh, actually, here, let me grab you. Take a snapshot of the rest of the settings here. Okay. All right, so it's constantly tuning, keep things updated. And let's go ahead and check my overall here. So overall wise, there's a 31% here, 26, 8, 10, 28. There's two that is doing a negative percent ROI, but still in profit, which I'll probably look at that in a little bit better. So this is probably the only one that's a loser right now, that I'm actually losing money on. So there might be a current position in here that hasn't closed out, that's in profit. So let's go ahead and take a look at that, EOS and XRP. But overall wise, it's pretty green, running steadily here. So let's go back to EOS. Okay, so it looks like, I'm not sure how this is being calculated. Maybe it might be the fees, I'm not sure. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like the fee is what it's gaining on here. The gain is negative, but the fee is more than the loss. So okay, and it's only trading 2 contracts, so there's really nothing really on EOS. It's like $5. So anyways, that's the thing on that. So this is the other loser here, and this is XRP Ripple. So hopefully it retunes it now and gets it back on track. But everything else seems to be doing pretty good, and this is all on live wallets here. So. And this is XBT, 12 contracts, 10%. This is on the other stuff, but that doesn't seem to be trading right now. But there's ETH, EOS, ADA seems to be doing pretty good too on all these trades since the 20th. So this is about 2 days ago. I'll keep you updated on how consistently it's gaining while I'm just low leverage, just let it run. Don't risk too much. Biggest problem was I think I had before was I was getting liquidated on higher leverage, like 25x. So on a bull run, it'll make a gain of 25%, then it'll switch over because it's time to switch, and then it just keeps going and gets liquidated. So that's not cool. But we're kind of like on a little steady market right now, so we'll see how things go. I'm actually added ways for it to switch the signals so that if it needs to hold longer, it can, and go from there. So if you guys want to get access to it, it's in the link below. Thanks.